Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Introduction of W sound. W is the 23rd letter of the alphabet. It makes the sound W, just like in whistle. Trumpet, try saying it with me. W, W, W. Great job. Word recognition. Here are some words that start with the letter W. W for whistle, a small thing that makes a sound when you blow air. W for watch, a little clock for your wrist. W for wheel. It helps cars and bikes go round and round. W for watermelon, a big green fruit that's sweet and juicy. Can you think of more W words with me? Writing practice. Now let's trace and write the letter WW together. Follow the dotted lines on your page. Say woo every time you write it. Activity. Beginning sound recognition. Look at the pictures below and guess the first sound. Say the sound and write the beginning letter. 1 walnut. Write W. 2 window. Write W. 3 wolf. Write W. 4 well. Write W. Perfect. You're getting smarter every day. More vocabulary. Let's learn even more fun W words. Wolf, a wild animal that howls. Well, a deep hole to get water from window. You can look outside through it. Walnut, a healthy nut. Water, we drink it every day. Wig, hair you can wear. Web, a spider's home. Wow, you did an amazing job learning the letter W today. You now know how to say, write, and find words with W. Keep practicing every day, and you'll become a letter expert soon. See you next time with another exciting letter. Bye-bye, little stars.